Hi guys, Darko here again, showing you this time calibration for Samsung 49KS7502. That's Samsung's cheapest curved SUHD TV in 2016 lineup. And in this video I will show you settings for standard dynamic range content. For example, if you're watching Blu-ray or internet video. Okay, so let me open settings and go straight to picture options. As usual, Samsung is offering 4 different presets: dynamic, standard, natural and movie. And out of all of them, only movie comes accurately set by default. Not as accurately I've seen, for example, on previous Samsung 40KS7502 Full HD model, but still pretty accurate and much more pleasant to watch than natural or standard. And of course dynamic, I don't want even to mention, this one is truly horrible. So my aim was 200 nits of peak luminance, gamma 2.2 and Rec 709 color space. Special viewing mode, as you can see, everything is disabled here. Picture size, here you need to select 16:9 standard and fit to screen on. If this setting is off, you will see overscanned image with loss of information on the edges. Also, auto option should work fine. Now let's go deeper in expert settings, where you see backlight at 8. This TV can, for standard dynamic range, show up to 600 nits of peak luminance, since it's HDR premium and has powerful LEDs at bottom edge of the screen. So value of 8 gave me 200 nits, which was pleasant to watch. If you need brighter image, increase it. If you need dimmer image, decrease it. Let's go to brightness, 45, default setting works well. Contrast, I had to reduce to 88 in order to get better grayscale tracking and to avoid pinkish whites. Sharpness 0, depending on how far you're sitting away from the screen you can increase this value, but if you want purest image, keep it at 0. Color 50, tint at default value. Digital clean view off. Auto motion plus, this is motion interpolation. I recommend blur reduction at 10, judder reduction at 0. If you want soap opera effect, increase this value. And LED clear motion, this will give you the best motion resolution, but can introduce flickering and will decrease overall luminance of the screen by 50%. Smart LED, this is local dimming, let's call it local dimming. Actually, it will not improve contrast, and I recommend keeping it at off and relying on native contrast, which is around 3500 to 1 on this VA panel. Film mode is disabled for progressive signals. For interlaced you can keep it at auto 2. HDMI UHD color, this is topic for UHD calibration, so I will skip it. HDMI black level auto works fine. Dynamic contrast off. Color tone warm 2. White balance, here I did 2-point adjustment. Red offset +2, blue offset -10, red gain 11 and blue gain +2. These are the only changes I did in this section. And in 2-point I did only adjustment for interval 50%, where I reduced red to -20, green to -14 and blue -2. Everything else, as you can see, is at the default value of 0, 0, 0. Okay, let's move on to gamma. So after calibration my aim was gamma 2.2. With value 0 I achieved that. This setting should be turned off. Color space custom, accurate by default, 99.9% Rec 709 tracking, but I did small adjustments, and let's start with red primary color. Red 35, green 8, blue 3. green has red 24, green 40, blue 5. Blue has red 0, green 4, blue 42. Yellow has red 50, green 48, blue 6. Cyan has red 24, green 46, blue 51. And magenta, red 33, green 10, blue 46. That's it, and I've come to the end of expert settings. So after calibration I got really pleasant to watch image with accurate grayscale and natural colors. You can also download these settings if you follow the link in the description, and you can expect full review soon. For any questions, drop them in comment section below, and see you soon in some other video. Bye!